how much sawdust can you put in a Rice Krispie treat before people notice? Well, why? Best answer to that would be, why not? For science! Next thing you're probably wondering is, well, isn't sawdust probably toxic and pointy and bad? And you'd be right, and that's why I'm not using sawdust. System 3, 3110S47 brown wood flour. Non-toxic wood grounded to the consistency of powder. Perfectly safe for consumption. Probably. But still, why? And how am I going to test this? Well, I believe that up to 6 tablespoons of wood flour can be substituted into a Rice Krispie treat with little detection from human subjects. And we're going to test this by making Rice Krispie treats. What we're going to do is substitute different amounts of wood flour for the actual Rice Krispies in the recipe. So, let's go.
Come on, run away. You don't have to stay. We're nearly out of time, but you're doing fine. So stay on track and don't look back.
Alright, so we've got all our different samples made. We've got Rice Krispie treats with 0 tablespoons of wood flour, one with 3, 6, 9, and 12 tablespoons of wood flour all in them. But who's going to be dumb enough to test this?
These 11 test subjects are who will be trying our extra fiber Rice Krispies today. They are aware of what they are eating, but their eyes will be closed and they don't know what combination of 5 Rice Krispie treats they'll be getting. After they eat each Rice Krispie treat, they'll mark on their sheet what amount of sawdust they believe it contained. Afterwards, I'll compare what they put to the actual mixtures they received.
So, how much sawdust can you put in a Rice Krispie treat before people notice? Well, according to the data that I collected, basically none. So, this data shows the results from the experiment that I took, and most people actually guessed correctly on the percentage of sawdust that was in theirs, and about an equal amount over or underestimated what was in their Rice Krispie treat. The results from the 6 and 3 experiments clearly show that the subjects were able to notice the sawdust that was in the Rice Krispie treats. And the data from the 0% Rice Krispie treats, other than a couple of outliers and a missing data point, don't know where that went, was almost entirely accurate. So, you can put essentially no sawdust in a Rice Krispie treat before people notice. My hypothesis was wrong. So, what have we learned?